Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is the completion of an ABC correction, mostly because of the daily, weekly, monthly time frame analysis. And we got impulsive up and a break of structure, and then we got corrective down, higher low. I am definitely leaning towards longs. I think there's a very good likelihood that this will continue those higher daily, weekly, monthly time frame uptrends. So I am for sure looking for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it could be a complete A, B, C correction right to. I mean, it went a little deep. I mean, it did go to the 88%, but it looks like a complete pullback. Nice higher low. I think any moves we see to the downside, we should be assuming is nothing more than a pullback within a large uptrend, especially because of the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.